The Watercool graphics card from my last video was surprisingly good. Can EK Waterblocks really beat it, or is it actually worse? At first glance they look pretty similar, but when you take a closer look there are some key differences and these could decide which block you should actually buy. Let's take a closer look. Quick note up front, one of these blocks really surprised me when it comes to build quality. The real question is, which block is actually the better choice for your money? I like the ideas of the washers that they can be easily removed and stay in place even if you handle the graphics card during mounting. EK Waterblocks did a great job with the graphics card back plate. As you can see here, it has an additional corner that closes the card so you cannot see it anymore. So this gives it a nice finish, which is really unique. And it offers optical and cooling standard that you don't find elsewhere. The water block itself is made of copper and has a really nice nickel finish. It looks really good, and you can see how the water flows through it, that it really is built for high performance. It has 4 threads so you can install it in any position that you need, and it has this extra closing part here which clothed the ugly part from your graphics card. Like when it is mounted in your computer, you just see the front where the threads are and you see the side, and this side closing part comes with some extra cost because it's expensive to manufacture. There was a time when performance did matter. Today performance is mandatory. Like all water blocks have a great cooling capacity, and the difference are really something like below 2 degrees. It doesn't really matter. So what we have, the price issue and the design issue. So when you're a more price sensitive buyer and you want to build a cheap system, of course EK Waterblocks or the Watercool, they're both not your fit. You should look for a cheaper one like from Aquatuning. But when you have a great design aspect and you want to spend the money that's needed, the EK Waterblocks is the greatest choice because everything is taken care of with this water block. It looks great, it fits perfect to the other EK Waterblocks products and even to the products from other brands. So you can include this in any loop. So if money is not an issue, this water block would be my recommendation for you. You're getting a lot for what you pay if you want that.